Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to sign a document using Docusign. Whether it's a contract, an agreement, or a form, Docusign makes it easy to sign documents digitally in just a few simple steps. Let's go through it together. On the Docusign homepage, we need to click the New option to create a document. Once that's done, we click to Start and then upload the document we want to sign. Here, we will be uploading the document. We can upload it directly from our desktop. We have an example PDF ready to use here. Once the document is uploaded, we click Save to continue. Let's wait for the document to load. Now that we're in, we click the Sign option. Then, we click the Signature field to place our signature. We can change the style of the signature to match our preference. Just pick the one that looks right. Once we're happy with it, we click Adopt and Sign. From here, we can review and configure the signature placement. If we need to make any edits, we can do that here before finishing. When everything looks good, we click Finish. We then enter the recipient's email address and subject line. And once everything is ready, we click Send. And that's how we sign a document using Docusign. It's a fast and secure way to handle documents without printing or scanning.